sky. When we see above in the open, we can see infinite space high above and stretching endlessly. We call it the sky. The sky looks blue during the daytime and black in the night. In fact, sky has no color. We see the natural objects in the space called heavenly bodies such as the sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun. The sun is seen during the day. The sun is made up of hot gases, so it is called a huge ball of fire and hence appears bright yellow in color. It is million times bigger than the earth. Even then it looks small as it is very far off from the earth. It has light of its own. Sunlight is very useful for life. From the earth we see that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is due to Earth's rotation on its axis. The earth revolves around the sun. It completes its one revolution around the sun in 365 1/4 days or in a year. More to know. The earth has no light of its own. It gets light from the sun. The moon. The moon appears at night. It looks very beautiful when it shines in the sky at night. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects the sun's light. The moon is much smaller than that of the earth. It revolves around the earth. It takes about 28 days to complete its one revolution. It is a natural satellite of the earth. We can see moon of different sizes and shapes as the sun lights up the moon at different parts during its revolution around the earth. At times it is not available at all. Then the night is called the moonless night or Amavasya. When the moon looks round like a ball, it is called full moon or Purnima. More to know, a satellite is an object that revolves around the earth. The stars. At night, we see twinkling bodies called stars. These are countless. Stars are also made up of gases. They have light of their own. They appear very small because they are very far from us. In fact, the stars are very big. Some of them are even bigger than the sun. More to know. The group of stars together is called a constellation. Now I know. The sun is made up of hot gases, so it is called a huge ball of fire. The sun is million times bigger than the earth. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. The sun and the stars have light of their own. Moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. A group of stars together is called a constellation.